Hello everyone. In today's live class, there are three subjects: TOC morning, algorithm, and DBMS evening. Every day, three subjects. Every day, three subjects are going on, so that syllabus will be completed fastly. So our target is within July ending, we want to complete the syllabus. From the August 1st onwards, you can do practice and all. In today's morning class, TOC, right, context free grammar is started. Almost like 10 problems we done, right? So in all the problems, right, what we done is one language given, how to construct the context free grammar for that. Language given, how to write the context free grammar for that. But remember, for one language, multiple context free grammars possible, or multiple grammars possible. But remember, for one grammar, right, for one grammar, one language possible. Language to grammar is many, but grammar to language is only one. So today's class, we discussed the context-free grammar 10 problems. Tomorrow, mostly we will enter into, right, DPDA construction, PDA construction, followed by, right, CFG, closure properties, and all the things. Right, this is the update for the TOC for the morning class. The evening class, in algorithm, we are going to start. In the last class, we completed the Prim's algorithm, I think Kruskal algorithm. Today, we are going to complete Prim's algorithm and the problems associated with that. After completion of the Kruskal and Prim's algorithm, we will slowly go to Dijkstra's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, and BFT algorithm for single source shortest path. Followed by, we will enter into dynamic programming. In the DBMS, right, first chapter is going on, Mithali Madam is taking care. Right? So those people who want to start the GATE preparation, please start early. If you join the EPT full course, the advantage is what you will get is syllabus will be completed, right? July ending, something like that. Right? August onwards, you can do practice. 20 years PYQs with the video solutions are available. RIC course also available, crash course also available, test series also available. These all are free. They are part of the full course. If you want to start early. If you are preparing for any computer science competitive exam, just come to exampreptool.com. Just come to exampreptool.com. This is the home page. This is the home page. Right? After clicking on the home page, you are able to see so many categories. GATE CSC, GATE DA, development course means if you are preparing for GATE CSC, click on the GATE CSC. GATE DA, click on the GATE DA. Right, development course, right, like web development course, app development course, you can click on that. You are preparing for some placements, you can click on the placement course. Suppose some revision course you want to join, right, click on the revision course. Test series, click on the test series. And if you are preparing for any, right, any PSU exam like DRDO, ISRO, like that, you can click on the PSU's exams. I clicked on the GATE CSC. So these are the courses what I will get, right? These are the courses what I will get. So you can go for GATE CSC, you can go for a GATE CSC 1 year course or a 2 years course. And one beautiful course is there, GATE CSC, and one more thing is placement training with internship, right? So GATE and right, internship and placements, you can manage. With one course, you can do that. We have some wonderful plan. I wish everyone will utilize this. This is a 1 year course, GATE plus placement training plus internship. It is a 1 year course. You can go for 2 years course also. Next one, only placement course you can go. Only placement course, right? 1 year also, right? So 6 months also you can go, 1 year also you can go. Next one, GATE CSC, GATE DA also with placements training. If you are prepared, right? If you are only, right? If you are only mentorship, if you want, you can go for advanced mentorship. You can go for basic mentorship also. So all the possibilities we covered. So you are preparing for IIIT Hyderabad exam, you can prepare, right? So I think every possibility we done. Suppose if you go to the placement course, all placements will come. If you go for PSU, all PSUs will come. All PSU exams will come. See this, BARC exam, ISRO exam, all the things you can. It is the best platform for all computer science exam. Those people who want to join, you can subscribe from the website exampreptool.com. Right? If you have any doubt also, my WhatsApp number is available, so you can contact me. If anyone want my WhatsApp number, 8882089903. so that you can WhatsApp me, right? So see you in the class.